Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the structural pressures hitting Bitcoin right now. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Everything in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Date: February 5th, 2026. Bitcoin is currently under heavy pressure from two converging forces. On one side, miner capitulation is building fast. On the other, persistent ETF outflows are signaling weakening institutional demand. The big question everyone is asking: after this leg down, will we see a classic post-capitulation rebound? Or is this cycle fundamentally different because legacy finance now dominates price action? Let's look at the snapshot. Bitcoin is trading between $72,000 and $73,000. We're down nearly 40% from the peak of late 2025. It's full crypto winter vibes out there. A major US winter storm has forced a massive curtailment among miners. Hash rate has dropped roughly 12%, one of the largest single-event drops since the 2021 China ban. The next difficulty adjustment is expected to drop significantly. At current prices, many mid-tier rigs are at their shutdown threshold. If we break 70,000 decisively, a large-scale miner exodus becomes highly probable. But remember, US miners are pivoting to AI, so their influence is weaker than before. The real pressure is coming from legacy finance. We're seeing persistent net outflows from ETFs. US legacy players reducing exposure is now the dominant downward driver, outweighing the miners. In the derivatives market, short-dated implied volatility is spiking. The term structure is in backwardation, a classic sign of immediate crash fear. Historically, this often marks a liquidation climax and a bottoming signal. Here is the twist. This cycle might not bottom on miner capitulation. Instead, peak ETF outflows and institutional rotation could mark the true exhaustion point. A genuine paradigm shift where Wall Street, not miners, calls the shots. Watch for these rebound triggers: a completed difficulty reset, a reversal in ETF flows, and macro clarity from the Fed. If 70,000 holds, our first target is a reclaim of 80,000. This is one of the most fascinating turning points in Bitcoin history. Will the playbook change forever? We'll be watching the 70,000 support level closely. Thanks for watching, and remember to do your own research.